welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Mexican beef pizza. First, we're gonna start with this pre-made cauliflower pizza dough. It's really delicious, and it's healthier than the normal ones. Now, let's start. First, I'm gonna use this hot sauce. And you can do whatever sauce you like. I like it a little bit hot, but you can use a honey barbecue sauce if you like. I use this leftover Mexican veggie mix with some corn, beans, kale. Really delicious. It's really colorful. I pre-cooked some beef in some hot sauce and with salt and pepper. And I put a lot on it because I like steak and pizza and veggies. Maybe not Mexican, but I like me some mozzarella. And I put a lot on it. A little cheese doesn't hurt anyone. The pizza is ready, and as always, it will go in for about 12 to 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Now, let's do this. I'm really hungry. Now, look at that, Mexican beef pizza. Also gonna top it off with some spring onions and some red hot chili pepper. Really delicious. And if you don't like the heat, you can leave it off, but I like it. It really gives a kick. Now, let's slice some pizza. And I'm gonna give it a taste and let you know how it tastes. But it smells already really delicious. And I know I say delicious a lot, but I mean it. It's really delicious. Now let's taste. I like it. Really hot, but very delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my Mexican beef pizza. And as always, see you next time. Don't forget to hit that bell. Leave me a like, a comment. You can also find me on Instagram.